Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to have you back with me today. Before I get started, I just want to ask, please subscribe, comment. I appreciate the comments, and share and like and all that good stuff. And let's get started. So today's DIY is going to be another beautiful silver and royal blue wall decor. Now, the items that you're going to need for today is, all I did is I just took a hard rigid cardboard. It's about 1 millimeter long. And then what I did is I painted it silver. And you know what? You could do it two ways. You could do it with acrylic paint, or you could do it with the Krylon paint, spray paint, or you just want to paint it. Whichever way you want is up to you. What I did is I just painted with acrylic paint. And you get that paint at the Dollar Tree. So what you do is I took a board. This is a 16-inch. And my mirror is 10-inch. So you have 3 inches all around to put on your beads and all that good stuff. So the items used today, of course, is the cardboard, the mirror, and my my stuff that I'm going to put on there is, what I did is I took pieces. I will show you. These are the pieces I'm going to put on it. Now this is a triangular shape. So what I did is I copied it on here, cut it out. Then I took my poster board, which I took at the Dollar Tree, and I glued it on top of that piece. And this is how it comes out. So it's a little rigid, it's a hard, but these are my little triangular shapes. And I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. I have 6 pieces of those. And then I have, of course, my beautiful royal blue beads that I'm going to put around the mirror. And then I have my royal blue marquees, and which I have, I think, 2, 4, 6 pieces of these. And then I have, it's sort of like a little flower. You could call it a little lucky charm. And it's very silver. Well, transparent, I should say, sorry. It's a transparent. And I get those, they have big boxes of that at Michael's. So these are the acrylic gems that I'm going to be using today. And I'm also going to be using the sunflower. It's a royal blue sunflower. You could I order all my sunflower, by the way, from AliExpress, and I order by the tons. Seriously, I order a lot. So these are the royal blue sunflower that I'm going to be using around the decor, and of course the transparent beads to go along with it at the end. And then I also have these little burst. Oh my God, they're like 1 millimeter long. It's just a little transparent bead, which I'm just going to little decorate at the end. And I think I have like 10 or 12 of these. So I'm going to be using that. And let's get the show on the road. So I took the liberty, like I said earlier, I painted my rigid cardboard, and I glued. And I have to say, I always use the E6000 to glue my mirror, but I went to Walmart and I was a little curious on gluing my mirrors to cardboard or panel, canvas, or anything of that sort. So what I did is I bought Gorilla, it's Gorilla Construction Adhesive. See that? And I says, I'm just going to try that. And it says white Gorilla Construction Adhesive. It's for all service, all purpose. and it works mirrors and cardboards and everything else. So I tried to do with all my mirrors, and it works beautifully. It doesn't come off. It stays firm. It is wonderful. So I saved myself my E6000, and I just bought this to glue all my mirrors. This is what I use it for, to glue my mirrors. So let's get started. First off is I'm going to decorate around the mirror. I'm going to put my bead around my mirror, and I will see you when I'm finished. All right, welcome back. So I finished the beading all around the mirror. My next step would be these lovely triangular pieces. I'm going to put them all around. Now what I do is I try to separate them as much as I can because I have to put these two beads around it. So this is how I measure it. And I will show you when I'm finished putting them around. All right, welcome back to my channel. And what I did is I glued all the triangular pieces, and I put the little gems just close by. So they're about not even 2 inches apart with the marquees. So I would say just about 2 inches each. So then this is basically what it looks like right now. Turned out pretty good. The beads are not all perfect, but you have a pretty good idea of how it should look like. And now my next step is I'm going to put the sunflower and the little transparent beads all around, and I will see you when I'm done. All right, welcome back. So I took the liberty of gluing all the sunflower mesh and the transparent beads, and basically this is what it looks like. And I have one more little finale, is I have these little burst of transparent little beads, and where I'm going to put that is right here in front of the marquees beads all around, right in front here. And I'm going to put it right on top of the diamond where the little corner shape here. I'm going to put them right on top, and I will see you when I'm done. All right, everyone, welcome back one more time. So I have the finished product. I put the small little beads in front of the triangular ones and the marquees beads, and basically this is what it looks like. So this turned out really beautiful. I love it. Another creation has been done which I'm very, very proud of. So I got a feeling this is going to be a very good seller. So thank you for joining me again today, and please comment and subscribe, thumbs up, And I hope you really enjoyed this DIY today. And I will see you on my next DIY. Thanks everyone, and have yourself a great day.